Hi guys, so today we are going to be coming up with another role play. Today's role play is going to be called The Snowstorm. Credits to TOCAA-TAY and to Toca Blair for this idea. Any hate comments or any hateful comments will be removed. So let's get on to the role play. Yes, I'm done with my makeup. Oh my god, it's all focusing. Let's just check my phone because let's see if there's new news. Since yeah. Okay, let's check my phone. What? What? Like really cringe. There is a upcoming snowstorm tonight. I have to tell all the kids. And James. James is like the dad of the family. So if you didn't know, this is Rose. I'll just tell James right now. James, there's a upcoming snowstorm tonight. Tell the teenagers, but not like the kids. Just tell that we're going grocery shopping, cause yeah. Okay. Let's just dress up first. It's I'm gonna dress up. Me too. He's gonna change first. She's gonna change second. Like, such not a gentleman. Hey, look away. Okay, give it back. Say slay. I'll be like normal. I sound zesty, but your turn. I'll go back. Okay, let's just be calm. Go away. Okay, I can look now. Spit over there. Honey, you can come back now. Let's just go to the kids. Do you want me to tell them? Yeah, sure. I'll just go down now. Okay. Back guys instead of the chair, since there's a little tree guy there. Turning on elevator. Or would you like to go to? Go to third. No, go to first floor. To first floor. I'll just get off. Like to turn. Wait, hold on. I'll just get out. Did that twice. Sorry, because because I'm not using CapCut. I'm using video. So yeah. And if you can hear the background noise, don't mind that. I'm watching TOCAA-TAY, and my Apple Pencil just fell. So would you like to turn off or on the Alexa and elevator? Can you go to the second floor? Sure. I mean, going to second floor. It's already started to snow. Kind of finger my Apple Pencil is charging. No! No! World is that coming? Okay. Yeah, here. We're gonna go grocery shopping because there's a snowstorm and it's snowing right now. So it's snowing inside the house. It's about a snail about to die. Okay, I'll just change it to my most. We're gonna change it to our most coldest, warmest outfit ever. The toddlers are not gonna come because we have a babysitter coming. Okay, so I'll just wait here since was already told the boys. So yeah, glitch. What in the world? How the daughter is the same as the dad. Cause I don't care. Wait. Okay, come on back. Say here. Wait. Okay, I'm good. Eh. Okay. Just go downstairs now. I don't know why she said yas like that. Oh, my foot. And go in here. Ooh. Both of them are like saying that. Double jinx. Triple jinx! Quadruple jinx. Yeah. Go downstairs. First floor. Boys view. Hi. So cute. Let's get back to our play. Okay, let's just like go to the hallway. Since like, oh, we're gonna die. Let's like go to the car. Background noise. Friday said that, like, don't mind. I'm watching TOCAA-TAY. So yeah. Oh, I didn't know I was filming. It's free. Here's and freezing if he couldn't hear me. Cause yeah, I forgot like the baby just been like there's like the babysitter. This is actually the personal driver, but like we're gonna drive. Okay. So freezing. Why is she holding up the plant? It's nice and warm. I'll drive. No, I'll drive. He's gonna drive so he's a man. Texas. Oh, when I hold up. Hey, Texas. Texas. Oh, when I hold down. So bring your car down, 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 down. Oh, when I hold up. New York. New York. To the grocery because like I'm too lazy to make the oh my god to like make them like show like, going to the grocery because I can't. Ugh, why do I not get a day off? It's really like I'm just gonna have like a snowstorm. Like I'm gonna die. Lazy to like make like a snowstorm. So like yeah. Groceries. To like they bought like so much food like, and then like I went home since I'm like too lazy to show them buying food. I like don't care since everybody like half the like thing is like up here I'll just make an announcement since I like too lazy out here. Alexa, make an announcement for the kids room. Alexa, make an announcement for the kids room. Announcement for the kids room. What announcement would you like to say? Kids, go to the third floor. No, that I wasn't recording. I mean that I was recording. Say something real quick. Just pretend like the pets are like up there because I'm too lazy like to bring the pets and stuff. So like yeah, kids come to the third floor, please. I like your boobs like cold, comfiest and warmest outfit. Hi. Okay, let's go up. Hi. Cute. You are so cute. Cute. I was like, I have no idea what to do with this roleplay now. So that's gonna be like the end of this roleplay. So yeah, bye.